Let's have a look now at the Symbol Builder tool in a little bit more detail. Now again, you can see there's our two relays that we've already created using the Symbol Builder tool. I've got a new one here with an octagonal outline and a slightly larger circle. So let's utilize the Symbol Builder tool and have a look at creating another custom schematic symbol. Now before we do that, we must remember to add our drawing to our project. So it's a right click, add active drawing, yes to the project default values. Right click on Symbol Builder tool there, properties, drawing properties, and give our sheet value a schematic value of 06 and then OK that. OK, onto the schematic tab there on the ribbon and onto the other tools panel, click, and there's Symbol Builder there. Now you will notice there is actually a flyout menu for the Symbol Builder there. Can you see that? You've also got Modify Symbol Library. That performs an update of all library symbol scaling and text heights in that folder. I'm not going to do that right now, but I'm going to go to Symbol Builder here. And let's look at this now. Let's look at how all of this works. You'll notice these two here look very familiar. Of course they do, because what you are creating is a block. But it's a block with merged attributes that you use in AutoCAD Electrical only. So what I would do there, just like I would with any AutoCAD block, is select objects. So you select the objects that you want to make into your symbol, like so. You then right click to confirm that. The insertion point now, you pick the point that you want the block to be inserted into the drawing at. So if I do a shift and a right click there and use the center snap of my circle there, there's my preview. So that is my symbol builder. Now there's a lot of other information here. We've looked at attribute templates. We know where they come from. So this time I'm going to create a horizontal parent block. And it's going to be, again though, a control relay. But it's going to go in horizontally this time. So when I OK that now, again I'm going to close the block authoring palette just like I've done before. And I'm going to select the information that I want to apply to this symbol. So I'll pick all the information I want there. I'm not going to worry about the descriptions. I'm just going to go for those there. So I insert those in the drawing. I'll zoom out slightly so that we can see where they're going. And I want those close to my block there. That'll do, about there. If I just pan there now, can you see that? I do need to just zoom out and zoom in a bit there. And then pan across and zoom out so I can see what I'm doing. So there's assembly code and family, but these are way too high, the manufacturing and catalog. So I select those both, right click, just use the standard AutoCAD move and just bring them down so they line up like so. So there we are. There's all my information there. Now you'll see installation, location and tag there. Let's move those as well. And you can see it's all part of the same process. So I'll drop those there. And as you can see, there's all my information there. Now this is a horizontal, remember, relay. So I go to wire connection and I want left none, like so, and I want to insert that. So I need to find a point there, so it's a shift and a right click and a midpoint. So I go midpoint there, like that. I then press enter. Same for the next one now, so I want to pick a right none, like so, and I want to insert that. There's the terminal there. Shift and right click, and again I want a midpoint on that side there, like so. Enter to finish. If I go to the pins now here and scroll down, there's terminal 1, right click, properties. I'll justify terminal 1 to the right, like so, and I'll justify terminal 2 there to the left. So they're now justified appropriately. So the text is justified, I OK that. And again, you can see this is all using the Symbol Builder tool. It's all incorporated into the same package. So it's quick and easy to use. So I'll close the Symbol Builder attribute editor now, close the block editor, and it asks me where do I want to save that. So I'm going to change the unique identifier there to Essentials, like we did before, like that. Hit the tab, and there, HCR1 Essentials. There's the PNG file, the graphic that'll come up as well. All set and ready to go. Let's check those errors there. That's just a symbol audit telling me that I haven't put certain bits of information in there. That's all okay for now. So I'll OK that. Do I want to insert it after closing the block editor? Yes, I do. So that's your symbol builder. Now this is a horizontal relay. So I need to pan down and pick a point here on this wire here, click there, OK it, and can you see it drops it in horizontally with the horizontal wires in the circuit. So that's your symbol builder tool and how it allows you to build schematic symbols and custom schematic symbols.